Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another example of a front clip. This one looked very similar to another front clip we have had on the page previously, but this is for the customer's benefit, so everybody gets to see it as well because we hide nothing here. This is a 24 Hyundai Elantra front clip. That's in the pre-wrap stages before it heads to the great state of Louisiana for some new friends of ours that are in desperate need of some parts. It is going through the wash bay. We checked it out, looked for any outstanding damages, dings, scratches, alignment issues, etc., etc. Finding nothing. It's a nice clean front end. And tomorrow morning, they will prepare the shipment and wrap it up and get it out of here on a whole different skid. If you need freight service, just let me know. This is rather expensive, and it's getting worse every day. It doesn't go down. So this is a very expensive shipment, so we want to make sure we do our best to cover it up as best we can and protect it completely. So as you can see, you get both fenders, the hood, the headlights, the grille, the bumper. Underneath, you get the rad, the condenser, the cooling fans. You get the splash shield there, the inner fender liner. No dash, no airbags, no cross member, obviously no engine, no suspension. Splash shield sitting over here. There's some tubing in the airbox inside that bag. I'm not going to dig it out, but that'll be wrapped up inside the hood as well. And now the finished product. So the front has been wrapped up in this custom-built skid. As you can see, it's got a slanted top to it. We put that sort of roof on it so the freight companies are unable to stack on top of it because stacking results in disaster. And that's bad plan no matter how you look at it. So the freight company will arrive at our loading dock out here a little bit later this afternoon, load it up. We'll then get the tracking information. I'm going to share it with the customer so they know where it is and when to expect it. So the finished product here is 90 inches by 86 inches by 64 inches, and it weighs 1,009 pounds. So it is a monster of a shipment, which is why it costs so much. Also insured it. So again, if you are ordering a front end and you receive a shipment from us, it will look exactly like this. If it doesn't look like this, if it has damage to the bottom or the top of it's torn or it just looks a little fishy, that is the time, and that is the only time that you can note the damage with the driver. They have to put it on their manifest in order for us to have any chance at getting any sort of a refund or credit or payment. If you don't claim it at the time and they drive off, it's a big problem because they're going to basically say that you damaged it. They didn't have anything to do with it because that's how they operate. So you got to tell the driver, he's got to note it and then share that with me, and I'll go to bat for you and we'll get it fixed up. One other thing to notice, if you look, these forks are sticking through the far side. We have fork extensions that we put on the forklift. That little guy has short forks, as do most forklifts. It's a teeter-totter process if you don't have extended forks because the weight is distributed relatively evenly, but sometimes it's heavy on one versus the other side. So handling it can be difficult. The freight companies, no matter what you try, if you've got 20 guys at your shop, they will not allow you to try and lift this off the back of a truck by hand. 1,000 pounds, shoulder height, it's impossible. You're just going to drop it. So, hope this helps explain in great detail how we do it. If you have any questions, of course, just shoot me a message. 800-222-2528, my direct extension's 112. Or you can email me, JaredWeberBros@gmail.com. Or if you want to reach out in another method, again, social media, Jared Weber Bros or Jared Weber Brothers, you'll find me either way. Thanks for watching.